Nambawan Super Limited's Chief Executive Officer Paul Sayer, at the announcement of the Super Fund's 2022 financial results, acknowledged the challenges faced by the fund in 2022 on several fronts. Sayer says despite this, the fund worked hard to mitigate the adverse effects that global and local economic conditions brought on by factors outside NSL's control. NSL employs a balanced investment portfolio, where they invest 18% of the fund's investments offshore, while 82% of investments remain within the country in local investments.
This is certainly done to de-risk the fund, so when the global or local markets perform poorly, they balance things out. In 2022, however, NSL experienced challenges on both fronts, and more so than other similar organisations, as we have nearly doubled the amount in international as a percent of our assets than some of the other funds. While NSL profits are lower in 2022, the fund has managed to recoup $53 million in returns from unrealised valuation gains on shares listed on the PNG stock exchange, as well as our unlisted equities.
NSL gains from good valuation made by the SP Brewery, OPH, Komul Hotels and Paradise Foods were largely offset by unrealized valuation losses from other investments such as Rainview and Moki Industries.
We are a long-term investor. We are confident that the valuations of these two investments will improve. These investments were commenced during a period of time of COVID. One of those investments has effectively been only operating for 6 months. So it's early days, and yet we're asked to value that particular investment. So we expect to see these come back over the long term.
NSL's focus in 2022 was on overcoming adversity.
The results for 2022 may be discouraging. However, we want to remind and assure our members that the funds are safe with us and are available to members. We're a long-term savings, and we continue to grow and make those funds available for members when they are ready to retire and exit the fund.
Maricela Kelleton, TVWAN News.
Furthermore, CEO Sayer says Nambawan Super had to adapt and change its tactics to manage the effects of rising inflation. The fund also experienced the impacts of supply chain disruptions and increased energy costs, as well as a number of local challenges that have directly impacted the returns from their investments.
We're able to take advantage of to offset these challenges. However, we're unable to take action due to the lack of foreign exchange, which is unfortunately beyond our control. When things are lower overseas, maybe now's a good time to invest, to buy low, to get that rise when the markets come back up. Unfortunately, we don't have access to foreign exchange.